Tampa and Colonial, continuing west.
Continuing west from Tampa. 10-6.
Chase from 034. There's no mark units behind it, right? We can just get the mark units like Chase call it, mark units just parallel it, and when it lands, we'll take it.
Yeah, there's no marked units near it, and blew the red light, westbound 50 at John Young.
Alright, 10-4. You're in surveillance mode, correct, Chase?
Yes, sir, we are in surveillance mode. There's no marked units around it. He's actually slowing down a little bit here.
Alright, let's just keep parallel. Make sure we got OWG covered, and whatever street's just to the north. 230, pull your map up and prepare for a perimeter.
This was a fresh deal, right? We're going to take them both for strand test.
Yeah, it was a 21 to business at Pine Hills and 50.
Copy that. K-9 16 out parallel westbound on Old Winter Garden.
Yeah, he slowed down now. He's driving normal. No more signal 12 out of him. And he's still westbound Colonial. I'll give you Cross Street. Coming up to Mercy, westbound 50 at Mercy.
Westbound 50 from Mercy, that's enough.
Approaching Old Winter Garden, southbound Mercy.
Southbound Mercy, approaching Old Winter Gardens.
Signal 12, wrong side of the road, do a red light, and continuing south across Old Winter Garden.
Portman, Chase.
Yeah, he's continuing down Ortman under the 408, southbound.
I believe Ortman dead end. Keeps going on.
He can get out to Ivy.
Chase, any pass all that he's in the little circle, right? The dead end's down there, I believe.
Signal 4, and the vehicle stopped. Driver's door open, 10-3 for the bailout. Passengers out, white over blue jean shorts, some red stripes on the sleeves. Driver's out, no shirt, white shorts, and they're in a northbound area of Ortman and Jackson. North from there, going towards Central. Back. K-9 right there, and go northbound. Ortman and Central, just south of the intersection. That was them. You've asked them, K-9, you passed them. Unit that just screamed in that apartment complex, the two behind you. Confront those guys. Unit to your left is the driver. To the left is your driver.
Chase, the one without the shirt right here?
Yes. Challenging to hold traffic.
Chase, we have 034.
Yeah, 2 secured. Go back to normal.